Welcome to the famous five corners of Villa Borinquen here on the island of Vieques, Puerto Rico. Here we go, here's your five corners to prove the point. There's road number 5 going up the hill there. There's number 4, 3, 2, 1. Famous five corners of Villa Borinquen. Today we're at Casa Alyssa, and if you'd like to know more about this property, any of others, of course go to Paraiso realtypr.com. I'm Bob. And I'm joined today by Sarah, who's an agent with us at Paraiso Realty. She's a listing agent for this property. There's Sarah. Hello. Hi, Sarah. So this is Casa Alyssa. We just came in the front gate. There is a mechanical motor. I don't think it works right now, though. It is fenced along road number 4. Actually, the whole property is fenced, which is nice. See if a dog or pets or kids concerned about their safety.
Lots of parking places.
Yeah, lots of parking. Right now we've got, geez, 1, 2, 3, 4 cars here. Room for another 2 or 3. So if you want to have like to socialize, have some friends over, plenty of parking. We're on the highest point of the property. What's the acreage on this? Do you remember? Like 1?
1/6 of an acre.
1/6 of an acre.
Yeah.
It goes downhill along road number 5 there. We're on the highest point here. From here you can see, geez, I'm looking at Culebra. I'm looking over to Villa Borinquen, Bastimentos area. Really nice views, and this is looking kind of northeast. Look at Culebra, Caribbean Ocean, so you'd have some ocean views. There's a good breeze, trade winds flowing through here as always. It's life in the tropics, life in the Caribbean. So we're kind of looking down on the property here. There's a roof here. The blue thing there is a cistern. There's a gas tank there, so it must have a gas stove or a gas hot water heater. Let's go take a walk downstairs, Sarah, and give us a scoop on the property. The parking is up top. There's a couple of stairs going down. So we're looking at probably house being about 10-15 feet below the parking area. So if you want to add on to this roof with a roof deck, another level, it's a possibility. So there's 2 units in this property. This is the main unit, correct?
Yeah.
This is a patio area. There's a washing machine, dryer outside. Some little hint of some mini splits. There's ACs inside. The patio does have Rayhouse. These are these metal grates that you'll see throughout Vieques. It's a little extra safety measure. Nice patio, all closed in. Get a breeze here, and then we've got French doors that go on inside. So let's step on in. So here we've got a big open space. I'm feeling like good high ceilings here, probably 10 feet. Tile throughout, very continuity is good with the tiles. There's the kitchen. Got a refrigerator, washing machine, gas stove, and stone tile. So it's all good sized kitchen. We're going to kind of run through this video, and just remind you that since you're watching this on YouTube or the website, you can always pause and rewind if you want to go back and see things. I'd much rather speed this up for you than take too long. So Sarah, anything else about this living room? It's kind of like, it's really one big rectangle. I was feeling like at first it was like an L shape, but it's actually a big open space.
Plenty of room for a big dining table there. Oh, nice open layout.
Yeah, it's got some good light.
You can see the ocean from the windows here. A little bit.
You got the ocean, you got palm trees, got clouds, got sun. That alone is what a lot of people want in December and January and February.
Security windows.
Security windows, it's good.
Should bring you into the main bedroom, the first bedroom.
Got a nice wood slat door. Good sized bedroom. I'm already seeing there's ceiling fan. There's a mini split air conditioner. Good sized closet. The high ceilings continue. We're looking at, again, 10-foot ceilings. Continuity of the tile. All concrete walls. Concrete ceiling. And then what's next?
This is the one bathroom here.
So a little ensuite bathroom, block tile walls in the shower, decorative tile both on the wall and the floor. Very nice.
Good amount of space in here.
Yeah, this is a good double sink. Couples love double sinks. Saved many a relationship. The toilet. So it's good. It's good size. Good size bathroom to match a good size bedroom. Okay, so that's off the living room. Now let's go to, well, there's the electrical box. For all you electrical geeks out there that make sense of this, there you go.
And then we go through this door. I think there's some cats.
Okay, we're on the lookout for lions and tigers.
So here, we do a second bedroom.
So second bed, this is just off the
Nice
living
big
room.
closet here.
There is some light coming through the living room into this bedroom. Yeah, closet space over here. Sorry, it's a little dark. That's not going to come out in the video, but either way, it's a deep closet there.
Yeah.
Bathroom here. Walk-in shower. Good size. Notice that we have a shower, we have a toilet, and you're probably saying, Bob, where is the sink? Well, here it is over here. So there's a pedestal sink, the mirror, and this is all a little alcove off of the rest of the bedroom here. So this bedroom, there's a door that goes to the living room, and then
You open this, cats. Yep, I think we got a cat wanting
all
to
right,
escape.
there we go. There it is, the mighty lion of Vieques. Oh, there's two.
And then we have another bathroom in here.
All right, so this is another ensuite. There's the bedroom there, and then over here there's ensuite bathroom. So pedestal, or no.
This bedroom has plenty of space for a king bed. So did the other one, actually. You could put king size beds in all of these bedrooms if you needed.
Again, another walk-in shower. All right, whoops.
Another closet.
Guys, all right, we'll be out of here. We're out of here. We're leaving. We're going. So this, all right. So this bedroom connects with the other bedroom. Both of these bedrooms, either bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, both have ensuite bathrooms. It's a good sized closet.
And then this door, you could come in this way too and have this as an entrance. This leads out to the porch again.
Bye, guys. You want to say goodbye? You got a little mustache. Bye-bye. All right, so this leads us back out onto the patio. Okay,
Yeah.
very nice. So let's back out. So it could be a separate, someone that has that bedroom could have their own separate entrance.
Correct.
The dream of every teenager right there. All right, so
Bob, let's take you down to the bottom level.
all right, so this is upstairs. This is the larger of the 2 units. So that was a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, patio space, kitchen, living room, open area.
It goes all the way down to past this fence here, all the way down to where the red bougainvilleas are. So a nice,
there's
spacious, lots of room if you want to add a pool or something. We have over there by the shed.
Some bananas here.
Yeah, banana trees. There's an amazing avocado tree. Big, creamy avocados. Ginger.
There's your avocado tree.
Famous. Best avocados I've ever had on the island. I get them from this tree right here. So yeah, the whole property. Nice, just grass.
So that's also a fence, which is nice. So it's a good sized lot. This should be noted, we're in Villa Borinquen. Folks that normally are watching and looking for real estate in this area, the $1 million question everybody's probably asking themselves right now is there a title? And the answer is?
There is. It's titled.
It's titled. All right, so this also, let's see, there's a clean out. Let's talk about mechanicals here. There's a clean out here for septic, and the septic is under this casita, garage, workshop, whatever you want to call it.
And this provides a lot of
Slide it.
provides a good amount of storage for all of your stuff. Kayaks.
Yes.
Patio equipment.
Tractor,
chairs,
lawnmower, all the above. All right, so here's the outside of the house. We've already been upstairs. This corner right here, this is actually the corner that the kitchen is in. And we're gonna take a tour of downstairs. One of the nice features down here immediately is there's a nice wood deck, and that's your, could be the main entrance. Over there is the parking area. We walk down the hill from there. This here is the nice wood deck, nice wood roof.
Allows for nice privacy, you know, have your lunch, breakfast, dinner out here. No one's bothered, it's very quiet. Private.
It's got a nice view of the bananas. Good little tropical setting right here. You're not going to confuse this with Vermont or Tennessee. Okay, let's go. So, and as you can see, good sized table here, a lot of space.
Yeah.
It's in good shape. All right.
So this unit has 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Perfect for, you know, a in-laws or a Airbnb rental, income property.
So we just entered through the living room. Over here is kitchen. I'm seeing a electric stove, range, built-in cabinetry. There's the refrigerator, microwave, oven, little dining table with a look back towards the entrance we came in. And I think I saw over here was a
Bathrooms over in this corner.
bathroom around the corner. There's the tile. This is a stand-up shower. For those of you locally know that that is what we call a suicide shower here in the tropics. Most likely, if you're going to try to buy this with financing of some sort, that's going to be a red flag. So just FYI on that. It's not, doesn't break deals, but it's something that has to be dealt with. All right, so nice little open space, living room, kitchen, good breeze coming through that door.
And
A
then
little
a bedroom
hallway.
on either side of the hallway.
So let's go to the right side first.
Get 2 twin beds in there.
All right, nice tile. Seems like it's nice and quiet back here. This would probably be a great sleeping area. This, I think behind this wall is earth, so you're not getting any noise from above. And again, it fits 2 twins right now, so you probably could do a queen or a king. This kind of works as a guest room or an office. So the hallway that goes out to the back door, and that's the door that's out back by the
shed.
the shed we saw, yeah. And then here we have, I guess, the master bedroom.
Yeah.
This is nice. It's actually got a lot of light. So these windows go out onto the wood deck. This would actually be nice to, well, you could pop this open, do some French doors or something. A lot of window space, and there's a mirror there as well, so that is going to amplify any light that comes in here. It's actually good closet. It's good closet space as well.
This is a queen size bed right now, but easily you could put a king in there if you needed. Decent sized closet in here too.
Yeah, another electrical box I
storage.
just noticed there. So it's good. It has a breaker box for down here.
You got a little bit full size mirror. Love that.
All right, yeah, this would be a good little Airbnb rental. It'd be good for, I mean, this would be good for long-term rental as
On-site
well.
manager.
On-site
Yeah.
manager,
Property care,
Yeah.
property manager. You could put them in there.
stereotypical in-laws unit. Very
It's
nice.
nice. We're in the middle of the day here and it's completely shady, which is really nice to have that in the middle of the day.
And there's a good breeze coming through here.
Yeah.
See that? I mean, you see in the bougainvilleas, the trees, and it's all coming from this way, typically from the east. It feels good. All right. Well, thanks for the tour there, Sarah. This is Casa Alyssa. You can go to the website,
Yep. Paraiso Realty.
pr.com.
pr.com.
Any questions, feel free to contact either of us. We'd love to show you the property, make this your new home here in the Caribbean. And again, Paraiso Realty, pr.com. we will see you soon.